Samsung S25 Ultra live hands-on images and videos are here. Here's your first look at the all-new Samsung S25 Ultra. The launch event is still a couple of months away, but we have already got the first real-life look of the phone. Someone shared this clip on Reddit. As you can see, the phone shown in this video is in silver color and pretty much resembles the iPhone 15 Pro Max's natural titanium color, but we don't know what Samsung is going to name it. This S25 Ultra will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite chipset, the latest one from Qualcomm. Talking about the design, then we still have that old boxy look, but still Samsung has managed to make the edges a little rounded this time, so that's a good upgrade in design. It means no more pain from those sharp edges like in the S24 Ultra. Now another thing you would notice here upon closer look is that the S25 Ultra is running One UI 7. We can say this fully sure by the icon of the battery. It's the latest icon in One UI 7 we saw earlier in leaked videos. It's more like a pill shape now, which looks cool. In the recent event of One UI 7, Samsung did confirm that the S25 Ultra will have One UI 7 out of the box.
And the official version of One UI 7, with all of game-changing AI features, will be released next year with the next Galaxy S.
One UI 7 will be a real upgrade in the S25 Ultra. All the icons are more roundish this time, giving more nice and cleaner look. When the phone is tilted here, you can see the pitch black display, which clearly indicates that the S25 Ultra is having an anti-reflective display, which is a must-have thing in phones nowadays. On the other hand, Apple still hasn't thought about it. Their phones are really difficult to use in bright sunlight. There are 4 cameras on the rear side, as you can see. The primary sensor is a 200 megapixel Samsung HP2 camera, a 10 megapixel 3x, a 50 megapixel 5x, and then the JN3 ultra wide angle sensor. So it's just this new ultra wide sensor this time, the rest is all the same. Now we all know Samsung is not just preparing for all these typical S25 variants, but there will be something new next year. I am talking about the S25 Slim. After the rumors from Apple's iPhone 17, Samsung has also decided to enter into this Slim game, and they are already in the making of the S25 Slim, which will be launched in the first quarter of 2025. This S25 Slim is claimed to be way thinner than the S25 Ultra, and it would be somewhat thinner like the S6 Edge. So it's a clear competitor of the iPhone 17 Air, which is also coming next year. The S25 just recently got listed on the IMEI database, and you can see the model number. The last alphabet U stands for the United States, and it means we might see this device globally. That's all for the S25 Ultra and S25 Slim. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.